So I need to wash my face, but I low-key feel real cute right now, and I don't have nowhere to go, and it's almost 9 o'clock at night. But like, girl, look at this beat.
You made this work, I made this worse. We felt.
Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Q and I post videos every Sunday and Monday and even sometimes on Wednesday. Today we're planning makeup again and I did a green look. So what do you guys think? You want to know how I did it? If you do, then keep on watching this video. But before I continue on, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, the subscribe, and that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. 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 Okay, really. Bye. Alright, so let's just jump right into this. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm also going to be dipping into my Fenty palette, and I think I'm also going to be dipping into this Winky Lux Kitten palette. I'm not sure about this one, but those two for sure. So to start with, I am just going to go in with this green shade here, and yeah, let's get into it.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna.
Next, I'm gonna go in with this color. Oh man, I just nicked it. Dang it. With this color right here, it's like a forest green, and I'm gonna focus that in my crease and outer corner.
LA BB, who we running with? 2233, I'm on 10 again. State your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab.
Now I'm gonna go into my Fenty palette and I'm gonna use this color here. My light is kind of washing it out, as well as this color down here. I'm gonna mix those two on a wet brush and get that on my lid.
You in her DM, I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Came with the gift, the gab, and blessed with lots of game. Be mad at me, they know I'm not to blame. You in her DM, I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Came with the gift, the gab, and blessed with lots of game. Be mad at me, they know I'm not to blame. But I'm too geeky to be preaching, I just show out. Winning and it's looking like a blowout. Pile up my paper, let it grow out. If it ain't about no money, I don't go out. I'm too geeky to be preachy, I just show out. Winning and it's looking like a blowout. Pile up my paper, let it grow out. If it ain't about no money, I don't go out. I got way too many missed calls. Think your girlfriend going through her withdrawals. I do what I wanna, God gave me big. And some that wanna cover them with lip gloss. Seen them looking at me crazy, but I ain't go. Hood, ain't too many places I can't go. Tryna fit all of your friends in that Durango. I'm the only young with a Kango. Chain glow, hang low, scaring Anglos. In Chapala trading dollars for the pesos. Mama smell the marijuana on my pesos. About to kill them in my where they make those. Case closed, change clothes and time zones. She shook her neck and mind blown. Got the funky that make them do the stank face. I ain't chasing, I'm at Chase Bank. Hey, you in her DM, I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Came with the gift, the gab, and blessed with lots of game. Be mad at me, they know I'm not to blame. You in her DM, I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Came with the gift, the gab, and blessed with lots of game. Be mad at me, they know I'm not to blame. But I'm too geeky to be preaching, I just show out. Winning and it's looking like a blowout. Pile up my paper, let it grow out. If it ain't about no money, I don't go out. I'm too geeky to be preachy, I just show out. Winning in this looking like a blowout. Pile up my paper, let it grow out. If it ain't about no money, I don't go out.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life, hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it.
So I'm pretty much all done. I am gonna go off camera and pop on some lashes, but before I do that, I want to highlight my inner corner, and I'm just gonna go into the Fenty palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here, which is like a silver color, and then I'll be back with my lashes and final thoughts. Alright, I have got my lashes on. I really think I am getting better at this, guys. I really think I'm getting better at the lashes. So final touch is going to be the lips, and I'm just going to go in with my Fenty lip gloss because you just can never go wrong with this. And since my eyes are like really dramatic, I don't want to go crazy on my lips. Since I think that's a little too pink for me, so I'm going to go in with my little contour palette, and with my finger I'm going to get some color, and I'm just going to no. I mean, it kind of could work, but no. Let me add the darker brown. I'm about to mess up my whole makeup look with this. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna get a clear gloss, and I'll be right back. I mean, this brown is giving me fall vibes though, but it's not fall. Okay. I mean, this could work. What y'all think? Y'all like this brown? I just concocted it. I'm gonna get a clear gloss because I'm really not feeling this. Alright guys, so I just went and put on some clear lip gloss because I really was not feeling all that concoction stuff that I was trying to do. No, was not the business. So this is what we have. What do you guys think about this look? I really love it. I think it came out really good. The green really brings out my brown eyes if you ask me. But Let me know down in the comments below if you like this look. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and share this with the world, with your friends, your family, everybody. Make sure you share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.